So the festivals are around the corner and I'm sure most of you must be looking for some look, makeup or hairstyle which you can do to celebrate the festival. So here I have come up with a makeup and hairstyle look which you can definitely carry on for Raksha Bandhan. This look and makeup would be really easy. You can just invest few minutes of your time and you can just get ready how I got ready today. So if you wanted to know how I achieved this look, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's begin this festive tutorial, and as you all know, I don't begin my makeup without proper moisturization and giving myself a good go ahead of softness and silkiness to my face so that the base sets well. So for moisturization today I am using the Body Shop Carrot Cream here. Cream is really very good guys because this has got the extracts of carrot, and you know how carrot is useful for the skin. It has got vitamin E which smoothens your skin to make your skin flawless and gets it just glowy. I would just take a generous amount of cream on my face. This blending, this cream is really smooth. Okay, so if you want to look glowy without makeup, and if you think that your makeup should look very glossy and the effect should come from within, then we need to use some kind of a serum, the serum which suits you. I love L'Oreal serums the most. However, today I have got Nykaa's Glow Boosting Serum, which I already talked in my one of the videos. So this is also really good. It smoothens your skin and also provides the glow which we required, and that looks really natural. Nykaa Glow Boosting Potion. Done. Now we are good to move on to makeup. To begin my makeup, I am not using any foundation today because I don't think it's always required. I feel that a simple cream, a tinted moisturizer would also do the work very well. So today I am using L'Oreal Paris True Match BB Cream. So how I'm gonna use the product, I'll take a brush, the stippling brush, and I'll just put few drops of BB cream out here so that it will be easy to blend. If you want me to tell you how to use sponge for your face for makeup, so just let me know, just comment below. I'll also show you that, because it's anything you use, the only technique behind your good makeup or good base, that all should mix together. Face should look clean and neat, and you know, without getting it cakey. So as I mentioned, just dab the product in, you don't have to drag it. This BB cream is really light. I just love the formula because it gives me smooth finish and it doesn't look like sometimes that I'm wearing something. If you just wanted to use this as it is, then also it is good. You can just go ahead. Even most of the time for my party makeup, I have just used this BB cream or any tinted moisturizer, and that would just do the work. You don't have to use extra layer of foundation, I believe. Okay, so once the base is set, we'll move on to concealer. We use concealer to basically hide any of the spots we have on our face. We also use color corrector. Today I'm not using, but definitely I'll come up with a video wherein I'll show you how to use color corrector if you have really dark spots and you just want to hide them. So let's move on and use the concealer today. I'm using Big Cover Concealer, which is from Etude House. I don't remember the shade name because it just vanished because I have used this so much. It's gifted by my close friend. Let's use it wherever required. I've seen people sometimes using concealer all over the face, but actually it is not required. You just have to use it wherever it is required and you really want it. Wherever you have dark spots, to just hide it. So use it minimal. Blend this all. I'm using a concealer brush. So the Etude House concealer has got really good coverage. Even L'Oreal and MAC has also got good coverage concealers. Moving on, once we are done with BB cream and concealer, we need to set our face with a good powder. You can use any compact, you can use any loose powder, because we do not want our face to crease. Sometimes also when you go out for party or something, you see that you know after some point of a time your face getting creasy, or you just get some creases over here or here, and that looks really unnatural. So I believe that you need to just set it with any of the powder. Today I am using MAC Studio Fix. This is my favorite, one of the favorites what I have, and I highly recommend you guys. If you want alternate of this or any dupes of this, definitely come up with few more videos, or you can just comment me below if you want a dupe of this. So I'll take a powder brush. Just go on. Okay, let's go ahead and finish our eye look. So for eyes today, I am using Makeup Revolution Pretty Incredible palette. Yeah. So in this palette you can see I've all got neutral shades and little dark shades out here. I will be using mostly this or maybe few of the neutrals because this would be matching to my dress. So let's go ahead and start. Let's see how I'll be using any of these. So I'll take this fluffy brush and I would be using this shade first, just to give a little bit of hint of color to my eyes. So first we will take this, tap this off, and just give a base to your eyes first. So one good base would definitely help you to achieve a great look of eyes. Going to use, okay. What I'll do, I'll take this brush. So this, you can see, this is not a fluffy brush. Everything is just tripled in. So what we'll do, we'll pick the product, we'll place it on the eyes, and then we will just mix it up. So I'll take this dark color from this palette. So this color name is Distinguished. Place it here first. Take the fluffy brush. Now we need to blend this all in. Do not go completely inside or inward. You just have to blend this in to outwards. Blend. Blending is the key in makeup, I already told. Now you can see we have got the dark color at the end. Now I'll move on to center of my eyes. So now I wanted to set some light color from this palette to my center of the. I'll take the same concealer. Just place a little bit here and a little bit here. Spread this off with your fingers. Now from the Pretty Incredible palette, we'll take this shade, the golden shade. The name is You Are Unstoppable. So I'll use my fingers, swirl this and put it center. Don't worry, this all will get blended so you won't get to know even. Just put the same here, inner corner of your eyes, and just move it out. Just take a brush and merge it all together. Okay, so now why did we use this concealer in the center of my eyes? Because the shade which I took, you already know I had used the darker shade. So then again I used the lighter shade. I just wanted my lighter shade to pop out. That's the reason I used it in center of my eyes, dabbed it and used it. And then I just thought of taking this brush and this, merge together. So it will all come together and your eyes would look really bold and bright. So what do you have to do now? You want to mix it all. Yeah. Now you see everything looks merged and you have got the hint of light shades and dark shades and it is all together. So don't think that if we did our eyelids it's all completed. It's not. We want our eye makeup to look all together, so we are also going to use it on our eyelid. So what I'll do, I'll take this dark color. I'm not using any kajal because this would just do the work. So just take that dark color. What I'll do, I'll just drag this out to give the wings look a little bit, not much. So I just wanted to line my upper eyelid. So I will be using today MAC eyeliner. Brows, I'll be using again the same color from this palette. And I'll just fill up my brows as well. See, that's done. So to finish off the look, I wanted to use the Face Shop mascara. So once you use the mascara on both the eyes, what you'll have to, there is a little trick. What you'll have to do, if you want your lashes to just lift out a bit, what you do, just take the same mascara. Once it is a dried little bit, then you just put it here and then push your eyes down so that it will become stiff. That's how. Yeah. I think the eyes are done. You can see. Okay, now we'll quickly move on to the contouring part. For contouring, I'm using L'Oreal Paris powder, the Bronze Glam powder. For that, you need a contouring brush like this. Just dab the product in. Just put it here and pull. Okay, so I'll take a highlighter brush, and the highlighter is only given in Pond's product. Put it on the high points of the face. I think my dress has got a little bit of pink, so why not just put little pink so that the look doesn't come out like a flat. And so to give the pinky glow, L'Oreal Paris Blush Sunset Glow. I'm putting center of my face, little bit on my nose and chin. So moving on to the lips. So it is really important. See, all our matte lipsticks or whatever lipsticks you use, I feel that it is a little bit drying, even if they say that it is not drying. But I feel, if your lips are a little sensitive, it does makes our lips little dry. So what I do before any lipstick, I just use any lip balm. So today I'll be using the Body Shop lip balm. The shade name is Juicer Straw Pomegranate. Okay, so for lips today I have used Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick. This, I'll show you. This liquid, I just love this liquid, guys, because this is really long lasting. I'll just tell you, if you have to go for a party or really long event wherein you have to stay for 8 to 9 hours, you just put this lipstick underneath a lip balm or something, and your lips would be hydrated as well, and the lipstick would definitely stay 8 to good 9 hours, and you just don't have to reapply it. So whenever I'm just going for a party or wedding or something, I definitely I will have this option in my hand. Finish off the entire look, I will just use any spray which will fix my face. We should definitely invest in any of the sprays which just keeps your makeup set for all day long. And today I'll be using MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. So what you'll have to do, you just have to twist this. Once this is open, just spray it all over your face with the one arm distance. This also adds glow, because sometimes I use this before my makeup as a primer, and if you don't want to use it as primer, you can definitely use it to fix your makeup. Can you see? The Fix Plus has got all my powdered product to melt in, and it is giving just a glowy look, and your makeup does not look cakey at all. Finish off the look, I'm sure you just wanted to know what hairstyle I'm gonna try. So hairstyle would be really easy and quick. So let's get started. All that you need for this look is in. Yeah. So just I've just divided my hairs from side parting. Just take this. What you'll have to do, you just take few strands like this, twist it, take one more strand, put it together, twist it. Take one more strand, put it together, twist it. Same way, twist it. I'm just leaving these just to frame my face. Twist it. Put, take some more strands, mix it all together in the rest of the hair and twist it. Now just pull few hairs from the same. take that pin and pin it. From this side as well, take few strands, twist it, take few more hairs, twist it. Now finally pin it. I surely had some takeaway from this video, and if you like this video and you want some more content like this, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, like this video. Thank you so much for giving me your valuable time and watching this video. Bye.